check Signal message history. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. If you're trying to see a message that you have inside of Signal, it is a quite straightforward process. Now, Signal stores all of your messages locally inside of your own device. So the way that you view all of your message history is you just open up a particular chat and then you can just see all of the messages that are delivered. Also, if you're trying to find a particular message inside of all of your chats, you can tap on the search bar on the top and search for a particular keyword on the message that you're trying to find. Now, there is a feature inside of Signal which lets you back off all of your data so that whenever you change your phone or your device, you can easily transfer all of your messages to that device as well. For that, you need to turn on the backup by tapping on the three dotted line on the top right. Tap on settings, and then if you scroll down, you'll see the section called backups. Right here, you'll have the option called backups. You can just enable it and make sure that all of your chats are backed up automatically. And you'll get a key that you need to enter in on a new device so that all of your chats are backed up. So that's all there is in checking your Signal message history. Do give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys are interested in more just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell as well.